Part 3! First video with some fabrication in it, so super happy. I'm just a happy camper building stuff. This video is about spindles because the initial plan was just to remove everything from the spindle. I'm talking bearing, caliper, brake dust cover, happy, everything. And then I will cut pretty much everything on it. I will be left only with the bearing housing and the 2 holes for the caliper. That's it. Everything else is going to be cut out. And then I will weld on the remaining spindle. I will weld on some brackets to create the new geometry that I need for the Smart-Busa. That was the initial plan. Okay, I knew it was cast steel and I did my homework and I knew that I can weld on cast steel. You only need to prep your surface, like have a clean surface and some preheat. So I did some testing to see how strong it really is. And for racing purposes, it didn't meet my expectation at all. To give me a comparison, I did exactly the same test with 2 pieces of steel and I broke my vise before even breaking the parts. And it's my 3rd vise this month, so I don't know, I think I'm cursed with vices.
Wait, what?
So yeah man, it was back to the drawing board. I knew I had to build for the Smart-Busa some custom spindles. And I don't want to race knowing that in the back of my mind, I've got some parts that are not strong enough. And ta-da! So as you can see, the housing is made out of 2 1/2-inch thick plates. I will plasma cut the 2 plates on the smallest one, and I will bore it on my lathe to fit the Volkswagen bearing. During the design, I printed and cut a 1:1 scale of the small 1/2-inch part to make sure that it will fit on my lathe. and it fits, so I knew I can burn those plates on my CNC plasma table. If you want to see the video on this table, link in the description. Okay. The rest of the spindles are made out of the 1/8 or 1/4 inch thick plates. And that was it. I'm gonna build it now.
So there it is. After a couple of days of cutting, drilling, cleaning, grinding, and bending, I've got all the parts for the 4 custom spindles for the Smart-Busa. Yes! Okay. It's welding time.
And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for being here. If you want to see this thing racing, please consider subscribing. I know part 3 was a quick video, but sometimes doing it quick is fun, right? Part 4 is going to be on the rear suspension, the subframe, the engine, all the links, and everything is going to be put together. The subframe is already built and it's on right now and it fits perfectly. So that's it. See ya.